complaining to a server that a steak is overcooked. Excuse me, miss. Can you come here for a moment?
Yes, sir. Is everything okay with your meal?
Actually, no. I am not happy with my steak.
Oh, I am very sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I ordered a medium rare steak, but this one is well done.
Let me take a look at that. Oh, you are right. It is very brown.
Yes, it is too dry and very hard to cut.
I apologize. The kitchen made a big mistake.
I really cannot eat this. It tastes like rubber.
I completely understand. That is not acceptable.
Can you please cook a new one for me?
Of course. Would you like me to rush the order?
Yes, please. I am very hungry right now.
Okay, I will tell the chef to make it a priority.
How long will I have to wait?
It should take about 10 to 15 minutes.
That is fine. What about my vegetables?
Do you want fresh vegetables with the new steak?
Yes, please. These are cold now.
No problem. I will bring you everything fresh.
Thank you for your help. I appreciate it.
You are welcome. Can I get you a drink while you wait?
Just some water, please. I am a little thirsty.
I will bring a pitcher of water right away.
Do I need to pay for the first steak?
No, sir. We will take that off your bill.
That is good customer service. Thank you.
We want you to enjoy your dinner here.
I hope the next steak is cooked perfectly.
I promise it will be much better this time.
Participating in a job interview. Good morning. I am here for the interview.
Good morning. Nice to meet you. Please sit down.
Thank you. My name is David.
Hello, David. I am Anna. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Thanks for asking. Do you have your CV?
Yes, here is a copy for you.
Thank you very much. Let me look at it.
Please take your time.
Okay. I see you worked at a cafe before.
Yes, I worked there for 2 years.
Why did you leave that job?
I wanted to find a new challenge.
I understand. What are your skills?
I am good at talking to people.
That is important for this job.
I am also good with computers.
Can you use Excel and Word?
Yes, I use them every day.
Great. What is your biggest strength?
I am a very hard worker.
Do you work well in a team?
Yes, I like working with a team.
Sometimes we work late. Is that okay?
Yes, I am flexible with my time.
What do you know about our company?
You sell great clothes online.
Yes, we are very popular now.
I want to be part of your success.
That is a very good answer.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes. When can you start working?
I can start next Monday.
That is good for us.
What are the working hours?
It is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Does the job include lunch?
Yes, we have a 1 hour break.
That sounds perfect.
We will call you this week.
Thank you for the opportunity.
You are welcome. Good luck.
Have a nice day.
Goodbye.
Exchanging foreign currency at the bank. Good morning. I would like to exchange some money.
Good morning. Sure, what currency do you need?
I want to exchange US dollars into local currency.
Okay, how much would you like to exchange today?
I would like to exchange $500, please.
No problem. Do you have your passport with you?
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. Let me check the current exchange rate for you.
Is the rate good today?
The rate is quite good today. It is 1.35 for $1.
That sounds fine to me. Please proceed.
All right. Please sign this form right here.
Okay, I am signing it now.
Thank you. Would you like large bills or small bills?
Can I have some small bills for tips?
Sure, I can give you some 20s and 10s.
That is very helpful. Thank you.
You are welcome. Here is your cash and receipt.
Let me check the amount. It looks correct.
Great. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that is all for today. Thanks again.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Confirming flight departure time. Hi. Do you know our flight time?
Let me check the ticket.
Is it in the morning?
No, it is in the evening.
What time exactly?
It says 7:30 p.m.
Is that local time?
Yes, it is local time here.
When should we leave for the airport?
We should leave early.
How about 4 p.m.?
That might be too late.
What about 3 p.m.?
That sounds better.
Do we need to check in online?
Yes, we can do it now.
Okay, I will open the app.
Do you have your passport ready?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Good. We must be careful.
Is the flight on time?
Yes, no delays right now.
Which gate is it?
The gate is not on the ticket yet.
When will they tell us?
Usually 1 hour before.
Okay, I am a bit nervous.
Don't worry, it will be fine.
I hope we have good seats.
We are sitting together.
Did you pack everything?
Yes, my bag is full.
Is the luggage weight okay?
I think it is under the limit.
We can weigh it at the airport.
Good idea.
Are you hungry?
A little bit.
We can eat at the airport.
Yes, there are many shops.
How long is the flight?
It takes about 5 hours.
Can we sleep on the plane?
Maybe, but I am excited.
Do we have a layover?
No, it is a direct flight.
That is very convenient.
Yes, I hate changing planes.
Okay, let's get ready.
I will call a taxi.
Should we bring a jacket?
Yes, it is cold on the plane.
I will put it in my carry-on.
Don't forget your phone charger.
It is already in my pocket.
You are very organized.
I just want to be safe.
That is good.
Is the taxi here?
Yes, the driver is waiting.
Let's go then.
Have a nice trip.
Choosing a restaurant for dinner date. Do you want to go out for dinner tonight?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
What kind of food do you want to eat?
I am in the mood for Italian food.
I know a nice Italian place near here.
Is it expensive?
No, the prices are very reasonable.
That is good. I am hungry.
Should we make a reservation?
Yes, it is Friday night. It might be busy.
I will call them right now.
What time should I book?
How about 7 o'clock?
7 is perfect for me.
Do you want to drive there?
No, let's take a taxi.
Okay, I will call a cab.
I need to get ready first.
Take your time. I can wait.
I will be ready in 10 minutes.
Do they have vegetarian options?
Yes, they have great salads and pasta.
I am happy to hear that.
I am really looking forward to it.
It will be a lovely evening.
I am so excited.
Asking about flight meal options. Excuse me, miss. Can I ask you a question?
Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I am a little hungry. When is the meal service?
We will serve lunch in about 30 minutes.
That sounds good. What do we have to eat today?
We have two main options for you.
What is the first option?
The first option is grilled chicken with rice.
That sounds nice. What is the second option?
The second option is beef with noodles.
I like beef. Does it come with vegetables?
Yes, it comes with green beans and carrots.
Do you have any food for children?
Yes, we have a simple sandwich for kids.
I am not a child, but I like sandwiches too.
I can check if we have an extra sandwich for you.
Thank you. What about drinks?
We have water, apple juice, and cola.
Can I have a beer or some wine?
Yes, we also have red and white wine.
Is the wine free?
Yes, all drinks are free on this flight.
Great. I would like the beef meal and red wine.
Okay, I will note that down for you.
Can I have some water now, please?
Sure, here is a bottle of water for you.
Thank you very much. You are very kind.
You are welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.